Hey, what is up guys? So today I'm going to be actually installing the drop shackles for my truck. I've been anticipating this for about 2 months now. I bought the drop shackles for it and just never got around to install it because other things on the truck were breaking. I knew it wouldn't take too long to install the rear shackles, but I know taking out the front spacers sometimes does take a little longer than anticipated when things don't come apart, like the ball joints and all that. So yeah, that's what the video is going to be about today. So here we go. Yeah, so there is about 38.5. The front is about pretty close, but 38 3/4 it looks like. Alright, so here in the back is the shackle, or the rear shackle for the leaf spring. So this is what we are replacing to drop the rear end 2 inches. What I've already done is taken WD-40 and sprayed it on the nuts and bolts just to hopefully loosen it up. I did the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to take the impact, see if that gets it off, hopefully, and then once I loosen those up, then I'll be taking the shackle out. So I got the bolts already out for the shackles, but one thing I did notice is since I have a receiver hitch, I can't get any of the bolts out, so unfortunately I had to drop it. Yeah, so I had to totally just take out my receiver hitch, which wasn't bad since I do have an impact, but this bolt right here I can easily take out now. Before the receiver hitch was just right in the way. All it is 8 bolts and it drops right out, so it wasn't too bad, but that's just to let y'all know. Yeah, so here the black is the new one, and you can see the original shackle. When I bought these online, it says it was a 2-inch drop, but it looks a little bit more than 2 inches, so I guess we're just gonna find out and see how much it actually dropped. When I measured it, I think it was 38.5. I gotta look back at the footage from the ground all the way to the wheel well. So I guess I'm gonna put the wheels on and see what it looks like. So apparently it only dropped at about 1 inch is what it looks like. I even have it on the highest setting, so still a little confused. Well, just my dad on it drops it another ½ inch, but a full inch actually. I guess we'll just see. I'm gonna go take it for a drive and see what it looks like on the street. Alright, so now I'm basically done with the drop shackles on the truck. It only dropped it about 1 inch, which I wasn't too glad about, just because I did buy 2-inch drop shackles. So there's that. But what I am gonna do, and what someone in my comment section for my previous video, which I am going to be, I guess, putting in the video just to see who said it, they said that the 2-inch drop shackle is not going to drop it enough, and that if I were to take out the front leveling kit, that it would have some sort of a rake, and that's basically what would happen right now. So I'm not taking out the leveling kit. It does squat just a little bit, but not much. I'm not a big fan of, you know, squatted trucks, but in my opinion it doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty aggressive right now. But what I am going to be doing is ordering the additional, I guess, drop spacers is what they're called. I guess that's the technical term. About 1 inch, and that'll be easy to swap out. And then that's when I'll just take out the front spacers for the front, and then hopefully, you know, actually drop the whole truck. I knew it wasn't going to be anything aggressive. I knew it was going to be something subtle. I just wanted the truck just to be a little bit lower because I kind of like the look like that. But yeah, so as far as right now, the truck doesn't look terrible. I'm going to be doing some roll shots so you can see what it looks like. So yeah, there's that. And it started raining. You probably can't see it on the camera. It started raining, so I'm glad the truck doesn't look stupid at the moment, and that it didn't really drop it 2 inches. So if it would have dropped it the full 2 inches, I feel like the truck would look pretty dumb right now. But it doesn't, so I don't really have to mess with it today. So I'm pretty much done. I just got to put on the receiver hitch, and I'm gonna call it a day.